right, so you are welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, my name is Flavia, and in this channel we try to explore ways and tools and techniques that can help us identify winning trades that we can always make our money and then enjoy our profits. In this video, I want to give you 5 things that can make you profitable trading on the stock market. Whether you are a beginner or you are looking to sharpen your skills, then you want to watch the video to the end. And then if you are new, please subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss the tips and tricks that we'll be sharing here, the strategies we'll be sharing here to make sure that we are always winning on our trades and we are limiting our losses. Right. So I'll go straight to the point to looking at number 1. Trading on the stock market can be very exciting. When you are a beginner trader, trading can be exciting, but you don't walk alone. So number 1 thing you need to get is to get a mentor. Find a community where you can be inside and learn from people who are experienced, learn from people who have been trading for a while so that you can gain knowledge and experience. Sometimes, people come up with certain news, and whether we like it or not, there are people who are ahead of the game. Right. So they get to be privy to certain information that maybe you and we are not privy to. So if you are in such communities, you have the advantage of getting to know what's happening on the stock market. Right. And so the need to get a mentor in your trading journey can never be overemphasized. And then number 2, like I have always said, if you have an asset that you are looking at, then you could be looking at gaps. When you go to Yahoo Finance or you come to Trading View, you could be looking at gaps. You take your particular asset, or if you have one that you are trading, and let's say you get up and then as we are looking at this chart, this is a gap here. It gapped up and ran all the way to I think 174.12. And like I've always said, when you see a price gap up, then what you need to do is to confirm the level, and that is where your technical analysis come in. You now have to employ your tools to analyze to see this gap. Is it at a place that is likely to reverse, or it can go further? On the stock market, anything can happen. So the indicators, I've always said that every indicator is telling us about what price is doing. Right. So when you use your indicators, your technical analysis, or you look at price action and you think that what is happening now is likely to reverse, then you can have a better choice on either you are trying to enter to buy or to sell. Right. So you're looking at your asset, you're looking at gaps, and you are looking at a mentor. Number 4, we want to be patient on our trades. Listen, the stock market has been there before we were born. The stock market will be there and maybe we'll be gone. When you learn to master psychology and how to be patient trading on the stock market, you will always be profitable. Why? Because these, prices that move up and down, they move within certain parameters. They move within, a certain range. All right. So when it moves to a certain range, the only thing it can do is to reverse and then go back and then move. You get it? So if we are patient for price to do its thing, it will come to where we want it to come to, then we can execute our trades. But if we lack patience, then we could be entering into, a trade at the wrong time. And when that happens, we bring our account to the red. And here on this channel, we don't entertain so many reds. All right. right. So the fourth thing I want to talk about is our risk management one more time. Let us stick to our rules. Let us stick to the plan we have put in place. Let us stick to the percentage we want to trade with. And let us stick to, the rule that we have said to always put in our stop loss. More importantly, our stop loss. And then if possible, you can put in your take profits. Okay, let's not flout our own rules, because what makes this journey in trading exciting is when you are able to make the profit and you see your account grow. Not when your account is, always on the red, always on the red. No, you will soon realize that you've lost the energy to trade, you've lost the momentum, and then what happens is that you may decide not to trade again on the stock market. All right, so I want us to look at these things. And then the last one I want to say is that as beginner traders, let's not meddle too much with penny stocks. Penny stocks, like looking at stocks that are between $1 to $5. For me, even between $1 to $10 is a no-go area. Number one, they don't move fast. And number two, as a beginner trader, you may not have enough information to know what is happening with a particular company and then to take such risks. So I would advise us that let us not meddle too much with penny stocks. You could do with one if you like, that is if you have enough information to inform your decision as to whether to buy or whatever it is. But my advice is that once you are just starting and you're a beginner, let's deal with assets that have been well established and that has a lot of volumes coming in, where we know that when we enter into such assets, the volume can carry us along. Right. So maximize these tips and then do your analysis very well. And then I think that we would be able to execute trades that really will bring us, profit at the end of the day. Once again, this is the end of the video, and I want to encourage those who are new to the channel to subscribe to the channel, because here I've always said that we are exploring tools and techniques, strategies that will help us to get, into trades that at least we score our good percentages on the trades, and then we leave the market profitably. We don't entertain losses, and we will not engage in trades that will make our accounts go in the red. So if you are new, you want to subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for a way to trade on the stock market and then to making some amount of money trading, and then to getting a side hustle that can give you a consistent income and give you so many other ways of making passive income, then this is your channel. For those who are members and those who have been subscribers of the channel, I want to say that I appreciate you and I encourage you to always comment and like. Until I see you on the next video, I wish you the best. Bye.